Hey everyone, welcome back in this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use Jotform in website. So you can see we are currently on their site. So the very first thing that you can choose from here is creating your form. So you can see it is asking you whether you want to choose a template, which I suggest you do because it offers a wide range of sections and different options to choose from. So you can create a well designed form. So let's just say we want to go with appointment request form. You can click on this, use template option, and just hold on a bit until it loads up, and you will be able to see that we have multiple sections in here. So how do you actually change or modify this? You can add different elements using this add element option. You can add full name, email. Let's just say I want to add uh, this is postal code in here, which is already added. So let me show you how we can actually add something else, like for example a phone number. You can drag and drop that in here, and that's how easy it is to put in. Let's just say you want to add a drop down or maybe an image on top. So you can add an image just like this. By the way, you can get 50% off on Jotform using the link in the description below. So that is going to be unlocking even more premium features. Do check out the link in the description below.